around today. We just came on a bus. So it was like a 2-hour bus. This is Luz.
Hi.
We just pulled up. So excited to fly our drone.
Estoy traduciéndole a Mari.
So we made a food stop because everybody's starving. We've been driving on this little bus for about 2 hours. There are so many butterflies here. It's beautiful.
Look at that.
See. And everybody's starving. So let's see what we can find. La comida está allá. La comida está allá. The food's that way. Obviously, that's where they're going. Look at these lobster tails, though.
Langosta, langosta.
Tata, mira qué cangrejo más bueno. No, mira los cangrejos.
Centolla.
¿A cuántos son? Ok.
Se craquea y se hace al ajillo.
Ok, ¿y cuánto? No tiene un...
Una, 3.5. 350 pesos.
So we're walking around trying to find the best price because all the vendors pretty much have similar things. They have crab and lobster and made in different ways, and we're just kind of trying to get a feel for it. I wanted crab, and they have crab that's simmered in the sauce, and it's about 350 pesos with rice and with like plantains. 50 pesos is about maybe $5 to $6, which is ridiculous. This is gonna be the seafood tour. Holy crap! Look at this crab. Like, do you see how my hand is here? And that is like, it was a shame to kill that crab. He was probably from the dinosaur era. This place is absolutely beautiful, and the water looks like a swimming pool.
Dude, I really have nothing to say because I'm just amazed about this freaking blue water.
It's so gorgeous. There's so many puppies roaming around here. I wish I could just ship them to the US.
Yeah.
I know. So the drive here was 2.5 hours, and we rented a little bus. And the bus is like for 30 people, even though there's only like 10 or 15 of us. But it was a really nice ride, and it's not a bad ride.
12.
But it was a really nice ride.
12.
But it was a really nice ride. Nice ride. Nice ride. Nice ride. Nice ride. Nice ride. The driving here can be a little hectic sometimes, and I think that could deter somebody from driving. But I think that's it. It's so warm. It's super warm. A lot warmer than the beach in Santo Domingo when we went to Boca Marina. It's super duper nice. It's beautiful. So I ended up getting fried fish with sweet potato and rice, and my fave, a huge coconut. So excited. Since my fish is taking a long time, I'm gonna go explore. Playing cards, I went in the water to kind of snorkel around with my little mask, and I found this really beautiful shell. I made sure nobody was home first, but they probably took the little critter out of here. But our food is here. Guys, so I fed that little puppy, and then he left, and he went to go get his mama so she could eat. How cute is this? I fed a few of the other dogs too because they're walking around and they smell the food, and I know they want food. If you're a dog lover, you feel me. It's so cute. Oh my god. Alright, so we just got done eating. We're gonna get back on our little boats. Not back, we haven't been on the little boats. I think we're just trying to figure out whose little boat to take so we can head on over. Right, we in here. I'm heading towards the front because that's where they said you get the least wet. So I don't want my camera to get wet. So we stopped in this beautiful it is. Look at that, man. It is super shallow, and I'm about to jump on in. All right. We just pulled up, pull up. Wow, look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna try to get off of here. Probably should have started the camera before, or I mean after. I'm delirious, I'm just so freaking excited to be here. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at this. Can you believe this? We basically have this all to ourselves. There's a couple over there snorkeling. And look at these little houses over here. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. I'm in heaven.
Hola. How are you guys?
All right, so some of our friends went out there. Apparently there's some really nice fish. I'm trying to get Joanne to go out there with his GoPro. He's got the 5, but we don't know if it's waterproof. We think it's waterproof.
We think so.
Yeah, we think, but
we're gonna try.
We're gonna try? This place is amazing. I actually, this morning at breakfast, I took like 4 or 5 loaves of wheat bread from the breakfast buffet, and I brought it to feed the fish here because I knew there'd be really pretty colorful fish. And I went out by where it's a little dark because the reef starts, and there's so many beautiful like big blue and green parrotfish. They were absolutely gorgeous.
Let's go. So now we're gonna go like a 40-minute ride back in the boat. I don't know if we're going somewhere else.
I think we went to some mangroves on the way back.
Is that what it's called? I don't know what a mangrove is.
It's just like the plants. It's like the sand is a little bit high, and then it's big plants. It's the type of plant I think.
Could be some cool
Don't
videos.
quote me on that. Not a mangrove specialist by any means.
Let's go.
We had such an amazing day at the beach. If you guys come to Dominican Republic, totally recommend that you come to Cayo Arena. I would definitely come again. It was really beautiful. And we have like a 2.5-hour bus ride home, which is fine. I'm gonna enjoy this view for a little bit longer. This man clearly did Mrs. Fields' School of Driving in Lansing, Michigan, because that's why I'm such a great driver. This guy just parked his boat. I didn't even know you parked a boat like that. I would think that you will ruin the bottom, but maybe it's the momentum. He's gonna do it again.